guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. So let's get into it because I definitely have a lot to say about this shoe. For reference, they come with green and black laces. I have this thing where I always like to change the laces. Like if it's like two different colors, I do one shoe like a different lace just so I can see the contrast and see which one I like better. Like these last two shoes I've gotten have come with like this little box that says shoelaces and it has the other shoes in it. I like this little compartment because you can take it out and you can close it back up, so I think that's pretty cute. I got a 5 in kids, like so it's 6.5 in women. I am honestly very underwhelmed about this shoe. I thought I was really going to like this shoe because I really like the pine green ones, and I think I was searching for the pine green ones and the lucky green ones, and I don't like these shoes. Like I don't really see myself wearing them, and they're also not sold out. And sometimes like it doesn't matter if the shoe is sold out for me to get it. If I like it, I like it. But when I got these shoes and I opened the box, I just was really not feeling it. So yeah, let's get into our unboxing. As you saw, our box was green with the green, you know, writing. I like that on the box. I like green colors. Let's get into it. It's very simple. We have 3 colors. We have black, white, and green. So let's start. Our toe box is white leather. Our toe cap is black leather, and our midsole is white leather, which brings us to our eyelids, which are black. The laces I have chosen for this shoe are green, and our tongue is green, and we have Nike Air. The tag is in black, and the Nike Air is in this pine green lucky green, you know what I'm saying? Which brings us to our upper, which is this white leather, and we have the black swoosh going all the way up to the back. Our heel cap is green, and our ankle collar is green too, with our Air Jordan Wings logo in black. And our outsole is the lucky green too. I will say the things that I do like. I like the stitching on the toe box. I like the stitching on the heel and on the collar. I really like the color green, but like I said, I'm just completely underwhelmed because the pine green is a shoe that I really like. I was trying to like do like a dupe low key, so I don't know. I want to show you guys both colors, like both strings. So we have black and we have green. Personally, me, I like the green, and I want to say one thing. The laces seem to be better quality. Like they're really thick, and I really like that. Like, I'm gonna stop talking so much. I'm gonna put the shoes on my foot so you guys can see what they look like on me. Okay, yeah, so to sum it up, give you guys unboxing and their review, and then on my foot, I'm just disappointed in this shoe, but that's just because of my personal preference and the fact that I just genuinely don't like the white on the toe cap or on the midsole or on the upper. It's just not my vibe. Like I said, my favorite thing about the shoes is the stitching on the, sorry, I'm looking at the shoe as I'm saying it, but the stitching on the stitching on the heel, I can see the stitching, and on the toe box area. But yeah, no, I'm not fucking with it. I don't really like these shoes, so I'm not recommending them because I just feel like they're the same. Like I'm at this place where I'm like, I'm only getting selected Jordan 1s because they're juggling the colors, and it's like the same color just repeated and repeated and repeated and repeated. And it would be different if like the green was like a different texture, you know what I'm saying? Like it was just something going on, or I don't know. Like to me the colorway just feels like a little basic. So yeah, kind of disappointed, but I'm happy I got the shoe to see what it looked like because I really wanted them. But it's cool. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo, and my TikTok, Daesiaxo. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.